guys, this past weekend was Midwest Bangers 4 after party at Hawkeye Downs Raceway. It was really cool that Matt Haugen was there on his Drift Across America tour. On Friday night, me and Nick from E.MS Photography, we had a chance to link up with him and get some pictures and just kind of hang out. We were able to pull his car onto the track and turn all the lights off. And yeah, so check out the footage and check out some of his drifting from the event. Thanks.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work in. You can find me where that turf is. Pin precision like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me. Showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it, I'm finna go up, I'm aerial. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact. Real tricky, quick to flip a pretty penny to a thick stack. Quick stack, think fast and I talk real. I give a f about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like mass appeal. For my dog, I'ma ride to the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit. I've been the man with the blueprint, I'm gon' stop till I own every brick. I used to lay out in the line just to feel the world spin on its axis. Now I got the access and the last laugh, got it off of the passion. I keep it 100 on the dash, now that we got our subtraction. Slick talker, I'm a showstopper, doing us solid track. Stunner shade with the Visine, light it up to bring the vibe in. Lime tint, color spot beam on me. I'm a star every night lit, ultraviolet. Hey, I told her make sure that phone is on silent, so we know what the vibe is. Look in my iris, I think she know that I'm high risk. I never know what the time is, I never know when my mind went. Hey, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize. And I'ma make sure that we straight, yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize. And I'ma make sure that we straight, I'ma make sure that